Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix the problem when you can't see the Call of Duty mobile on your Google Play Store on your Samsung Galaxy A53 5G. So in order to do that, we'll need to change our parental controls, but first let me show you Call of Duty search results. So as you can see, there's no proper game here, and in order to change that, we'll need to press on our profile icon right here, go to the settings, family, from here scroll down a bit and find parental controls. Now disable the parental controls and you will need to type in your PIN for that. So mine is 1234 and I'm gonna press OK. Now if we go back to actual search and write Call of Duty again, it's visible right here, and we can press install in order to install it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.